Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video here, I'm going to show you a quick tip how I usually adjust my center pull brakes, center pull vintage brakes without doing lots of wrenching. So if you look over here, I'm going to take you to this cable ferrule right here. And this is one thing that you want to remember. So let's say you don't have a wrench to wrench with these bolts here. And I can give you the tip here, I can do this much quicker. And if you look at this cable ferrule right here, you want to remember this part carefully. So if you move it clockwise, which is like that way down, if you roll it clockwise, this thing is gonna get tightened. If you roll it the counterclockwise, this thing is gonna get loose. So again, you see here I have a gap, have a slight gap here. Hopefully I can demonstrate that over here. Now I'm gonna let's try to get this gap even bigger. Okay, so let's see what happens when I move here. Okay, let's see what happens. So I'm going counterclockwise and I'm actually tightening now. And let's see if there is a difference. Okay, you see it's quite tight there. Okay, now let's see if I want to loosen it a bit. So I'm gonna go clockwise. So this is the part you want to focus on, and you're gonna go like this. That's a little bit harder to do. Okay, see, I'm turning it clockwise, and now you're gonna notice how much gap there. Now you see how much gap I have created there. You see, you can see my finger basically on the other side. Now, if you want to tighten this, you're going to go counterclockwise, and the gap is going to get much smaller there. And this is quick tip how you can do this without wrenching, and how you can get your center pull brake adjustment done perfectly to your specifications, to your likings. That's pretty much that. Give it a like if you found this useful, and there you go. Bye-bye.